verde lajša bolečino in oteklino pri vnetju v ustni votlini in žrelu.
Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali s farmacevtom.
Onitek zdravilni lak za zdravljenje zmernih do blagih glivičnih okužb nohtov. Brez piljenja, brez odstranjevanja laka. Onitek. Resne težave imajo lahko tudi enostavno rešitev. Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali farmacevtom.
The escalation of conflict in the Middle East is horrifying. But who is really to blame? Every day another attack. Every day tens of civilians dead. Another hospital bombed. Displaced people seeking refuge still become targets in bomb and burned shelters. Population of Palestine, Gaza. Population of Lebanon. Even UNIFIL peacekeepers had nowhere to hide from bombs, destruction, mayhem. People are being burned to death, blown to pieces and shot every day in this world. For more than a year we have been watching the breakdown of humanity, sending Israel weapons and supporting them with our trade business. Meanwhile, much like a wildfire, the war has been spreading throughout the region. For far too long we have tolerated Israeli actions which only encouraged more brutality. Of course Netanyahu is to blame, but so are we or you. We need to cease support for Israel, cease weapon supply, and cease our trade deals. Only then we will have ceased fire.
Thank you very much. Next speaker is Jurla for 1 minute, please.
Gracias, Presidenta. Tenía una intervención preparada, pero voy a decir otra cosa. Señor Comisario, llevo toda la mañana escuchando los argumentos por los cuales hay que apoyar a Ucrania, a su población. Y estamos de acuerdo.
Looking at the title of the debate, I'm wondering, is there a limitation to the amount of text that you can put on the screen? It says urgent need for ceasefire in Lebanon and for safeguarding the UNIFIL mission in the light of recent attacks, I'll finish it off here, by Israel using weapons provided by Germany and the United States of America. There will be no ceasefire so long as Israel has an endless supply of weapons. At this stage, I don't expect any better from the United States of America. In fact, I hear their Secretary of State, Blinken, is going there today to try and breathe new life into the possibility of a ceasefire.
För oss i kampen mot terroristerna var så kan det bli fred.
Thank you. Next speaker is Mr. Nemec for 1 minute, please.
Dear colleagues, what is happening in Lebanon and Gaza must shock us. With impunity, Israel is ready to move into war crimes. By rejecting peace, Netanyahu and Kako wanted original war and destabilized neighbors. He turned the region into his playground. In the strongest terms, I condemn Israel's attack on EU peacekeeping mission and civilian infrastructure. So, dear colleagues, I ask you, when do we accept that it is okay to bomb a school just because the shooter is hiding inside? So I have this message for the certain new minister. A civilian can never be, and I stress, is never a legitimate target. People in Lebanon are desperate. They urgently need our help. We must immediately open a humanitarian bridge. The country is on the verge of collapsing. I of course, for implementation of the EU Resolution 1701. We need an immediate ceasefire. We need peace now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next speaker is Mr. Pribelič for 1 minute, please.
Biztos úr, tisztelt képviselőtársaim! Az 2022-es libanoni választási megfigyelő misszió vezetőjeként azt kell mondanom, hogy Libanon teljesen reménytelen helyzetben van. Izrael és a Hezbollah közötti konfliktus
Tantum verde lajša bolečino in oteklino pri vnetju v ustni votlini in žrelu.
Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali s farmacevtom.
Onitek zdravilni lak za zdravljenje zmernih do blagih glivičnih okužb nohtov. Brez piljenja, brez odstranjevanja laka. Onitek. Resne težave imajo lahko tudi enostavno rešitev. Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali farmacevtom.
et pour une politique de cohésion avec les régions au centre.
sprawić. Wprowadzenia